dog got surgery, right? She got surgery. She got herself spayed. So she has bruises there. Those are just bruises. And she has her stitches. Right? You know, she's supposed to have a cone, right? You want to know where that cone is? She fucking ate it. And she ate the door. And she's running and jumping around. And she's not supposed to be doing that. And now she's laying here, ignoring me. You're a bitch. You're a hella fucking bitch. You know that? You're a real bitch. You're a really... You're lucky I love you. I'd beat your ass. Fucking dog, bro. She ate the whole... God, she ate the door. I have it blocked off right now, but she ate the door. She ate the garage door. And she ate her cone. I'm sitting in the garage with her. Because she can't be around other dogs while she's healing. But, god damn. Was eating the cone necessary? Seriously? Seriously, bro? Whatever. I had to give her medicine in Turkey earlier. I don't even think she swallowed it. Whatever. This fucking bitch. I spent $800 on the surgery for you, and you're not even... You ate your goddamn cone. That's a $30 cone. I need to calm down. I need to calm down. This fucking bitch, bro. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a hella bitch. What the fuck?